Alright, imagine a world where your financial interactions are seamless, secure, and even rewarding. No more fumbling for cards, digging for cash, or worrying about your data. Sounds pretty good, right? This isn't some futuristic dream, it's the reality that mobile payment solutions are creating, and at the forefront of this revolution is the Beam wallet. You might be thinking, another digital wallet? What makes this one different? Well, Beam Wallet isn't just about making payments. It's an entire ecosystem designed to simplify your life, reward your loyalty, and give you control over your financial journey. We're talking instant cashback, exclusive deals, and a truly streamlined experience, whether you're shopping online or in your favorite local store. It's about moving beyond just transactions and stepping into a world where every tap of your phone brings value back to you. But like any powerful tool, getting started can sometimes seem a little daunting. You might have questions. How do I get it? Is it complicated to set up? What about my security? Don't worry, you're not alone. That's precisely why you're here, and that's precisely what we're going to demystify today. We're going to walk you through the simple, straightforward process of starting your Beam wallet, ensuring you can unlock all its benefits with confidence. So, how do you begin this journey to smarter, more rewarding payments? It all starts with a simple download. Whether you're an iPhone aficionado or an Android enthusiast, the Beam Wallet app is readily available for free on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Beam Wallet, hit that download button, and let's get you set up. Once the app is on your phone, open it up, and you'll be greeted with the option to create new wallet. This is where the magic begins. The first crucial step is generating your unique seed phrase or recovery phrase. Think of this as the master key to your entire Beam wallet. It's a series of random words that, in combination, represent the private key to your funds. Now, here's the absolute golden rule. Write this down on paper, multiple times if possible, and store it in a secure, offline location. Do not screenshot it, do not email it to yourself, and do not store it on any electronic device that could be compromised. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or lose your phone. Spell every word correctly, double-check it, and then check it again. Seriously, this step is paramount. After meticulously recording your seed phrase and confirming it, you'll be prompted to create a strong password for your wallet. This acts as an additional layer of security, an extra lock on your device. Aim for at least 10 characters, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. The stronger your password, the better protected your funds will be. Once your password is set, you'll typically be given a choice for node connectivity. For most users, the integrated node option is recommended as it allows your wallet to automatically verify the blockchain, ensuring a smooth and trusted connection. Finally, your Beam wallet will begin synchronizing with the blockchain. This might take a few moments, as it's essentially connecting to the Beam network to ensure all your information is up to date and secure. Once synchronized, congratulations! Your Beam wallet is ready to go. You can now explore its features, link your credit or debit cards, start making payments, and most importantly, begin enjoying those instant cashback rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.